ready for this 3-minute challenge to activate that navel chakra? Okay, good. Here we go. Come lying on your back for leg raises. And bring your hands like a little triangle, lifting your booty up, bringing your hands underneath, kind of like your tailbone a little bit. This prevents your lower back from arching up. We want to keep that lower back a little bit closer to the mat. So this is how you support your lower back. Your legs are long, pointed, toes pointed away from you. And right here, begin alternate leg lifts. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, bring the left leg all the way down. Inhale, bring the right leg up. Exhale, the right leg all the way down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Breathing through the nose. Eyes are closed. And since this is the challenging posture, when the challenge comes, use your breath to move the legs. So it's going to feel like you're on the inhale, you pull that leg up, and on the exhale, you push it down. So let your breath support you here and stay so steady. And for this last little bit, you're going to begin double leg lifts. So both legs press together. Inhale up to the ceiling. Exhale, lower them all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale all the way down. Your heels gently touching the mat. Inhale up. Exhale down. Here we go. Last few breaths, last few times. And inhale, both legs up, suspend the breath, squeeze that root lock. And on the exhale, slowly, total control, lower them down. Release the hands, palms facing up. Relax. And inhaling. Exhaling as you bring your knees in towards the chest, rock backwards and forwards on your spine. And come rock yourself up right back into easy pose.